Hi everybody, thank you for joining us today. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's going to be the red R towards the bottom right. Give us a like, leave us some comments. Let us know what you guys think about these videos. So today guys, I'm going to show you guys how to flush the RI4000 and put it in storage mode. As you know, a lot of school systems are going in summer and they have our RI4000. They love this unit because it has the built-in enhancer option, also known as pre-treatments. So this is really good for them because it saves them space. They don't got to buy extra equipment. They have everything all in one. There's a lot of automation to it, so it's easy to maintain for the kids. Now, I'll leave you guys information on this machine in case you guys want to look at the RICOH website and get some more information on it. Now, with that being said, guys, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove our inks and enhancers from the unit. So we're going to pull these guys out. We're going to go ahead and locate our cleaning cartridges. Now, they'll say ink slot type P1, and the bottom says cleaner. The other one will say enhancer slot type P1. And it's going to say cleaner on the bottom. So once you got these located, guys, we're just going to put them into the spots where the inks were. We're going to make sure our waste container on the bottom of the machine is completely empty. Next, we're going to come towards the front of the machine, and we're going to go ahead and scroll down on the screen here. We're going to make sure that our waste bottles here are reset by clicking the icon. Press yes to reset it. Once you got both of those reset, we'll go back to the main screen. We're going to go to settings. We're going to go to ink path control. We're going to go to cleaner charging. And we're going to select them all. Okay, it's going to take about 46 minutes for it to finish flushing the whole system. Once it's done, what we're going to do, we're going to just double check to make sure that it completed its flush and the lines look clear. So once you open up the lid here, you should see that your color lines will look clear, similar to the ones in the back. That means you got cleaning fluid in there. Once that's confirmed, we're going to go ahead and we're going to cap our front carriage. So we're going to get our carriage cap here. We're going to go ahead and put some liquid in here. Again, guys, for this one, I'll put a link in the description below in case you guys need one. It got misplaced. Also, some links for the cleaners in case you guys got to order those in. Next, we're going to go ahead and go to our maintenance menu. We're going to go to regular maintenance, and then we're going to go to ink and then cleaning. What that's going to do is going to shift your carriage towards center of the printer. Once it's there, we're going to go ahead and cap it. Just real carefully put the cap on there. And then once you got a cap, we're just going to turn the machine off by holding the power button for about 4 to 5 seconds. It's going to give us a prompt to shut down. We're going to select that prompt 2 times, 1 and 2. Once the machine is completely turned off, we can go around the back and turn it off as well. Remember, guys, we're only going to cap the front carriage. We're not going to cap the back one. Now, in case you guys got to recharge it with ink at the end of summer, that's a similar process. We're just going to go ahead and remove the cap on there. We're going to make sure we close our cover here. We're going to remove all our clean cartridges, and we're going to put our inks back in. Now, when you put your white ink back in, guys, remember to shake it for about 2 minutes. It's been sitting there for a while, so just give it a nice little shake. After 2 minutes, we can go ahead and put that back in, and then we can restart our unit. Now, in case you guys need any help with this, I'll leave the information for RICOH tech support. I'll leave you guys their link for their email address, and I'll leave you guys a phone number, so you guys can contact them in case you guys need any help. And once again, guys, thank you for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's going to be the red R towards the bottom right. Give us a like, give us a comments, and we'll see you guys next time.